Worried about hydraulic pump issues? Discover expert solutions to stop leaks and prevent costly failures in your systems. To start, it's important to understand hydraulic pumps. These devices convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. They play a vital role in driving machinery and equipment in industrial applications. Keep this in mind for effective maintenance and operation. Building on this idea, let's explore hydraulic pump options. Gear pumps are dependable but limited to lower pressure applications. Vane pumps offer good efficiency in medium pressure applications. Piston pumps feature complex construction yet excel under high pressure. It's crucial to understand cavitation and overheating. Cavitation happens when air enters, forming vapor bubbles. These bubbles collapse and damage components severely. Overheating results from too much load or not enough fluid. It often stems from poor ventilation and low fluid levels. Another key point is discovering hydraulic pump issues. Unusual noise may indicate loose components, misalignment, or cavitation. Leaks can result from wear, aging, or poor sealing, leading to reduced performance and environmental concerns. In addition, diagnostic techniques are key. Conduct visual inspections to spot leaks. Perform pressure testing for anomalies. Use thermal imaging to find hotspots. Apply sound analysis to detect unusual noises. Identifying these issues early prevents costly repairs. Ensure hydraulic systems run smoothly by doing the following. Use anti-cavitation valves and check for blockages. Optimize cooling and ventilation. Tighten and align components to reduce noise. Replace seals. Check hoses for leaks. Conduct inspections, manage fluids, and train operators regularly. As we wrap up, remember the role of maintenance in keeping hydraulics running smoothly. Thank you for watching. Comment SEAL below to join the conversation.